Hi everyone, today we will be solving the questions lead duplicate value nodes from assorted linked lists. I will leave the link to this particular question in the description so that you can take a look in detail later, but just a brief introduction. You have to complete the node remove duplicates method, which takes in one argument, the head of the sorted linked list. You should not feed any inputs from static console. So let's look at the example output that they have. So you have 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 now. So 1, 3, 5, 6. So 1 is removed, 3 is removed. Pretty standard. Alright, let's get cracking. Okay, first you want to check the base cases. You want to make sure that the head value that we get is not null. If it is, you have to return null. So if head is equal to null, return null. Once the base case is covered, we actually go to the meat of the problem. You want to keep the loop running till we reach the last node. So that would be before that we'll have to assign two nodes. So node head and node current. The reason why we have two nodes will become very clear in a second. So while current node that we have, the next node is not equal to null, we keep running the loop. So this means that when we hit a node and we know that the next one is null, we know that we have reached the last node of the list. So till we have reached the last node, what we want the loop to do, we want to check if the current value is not the same as the next value. So if current dot data is equal to current dot next dot data, if it is the same, you want to move the pointer. So current dot next is equal to current dot next dot next. In this case, what happens is that the second node that we have, which has the same value as the previous node, we're just removing that link and linking the first node to the node after the node that we're inspecting. So what if it's not the same? Then we just move the pointer of the current to the next. So this keeps iterating till we reach the last node. And after the while loop is done, you want to return the head. So return head and return h, because that still carries the head of the linked list, and in this case we have already reached the last node. So thereby, because in most of the questions where you have problems dealing with linked lists, you want to return the head. That's the reason why we use two variables. So let's run the code and see if there are any problems. Awesome, that wasn't too bad. So let's submit the code. Perfect. Alright, then I'll see you again for the next challenge.